This is a wire.
Correct.
If you put it in the right slot, it will show you a correct sound. This is the blue wire, which is going to be placed in this.
Correct.
And if you place the wire in the wrong socket, then it will say cross. Okay,
Correct.
now we're done here. I'll place it here. You can move this lid above. Okay. So now we'll place all these wires on the respective places. Suppose we have this yellow wire. We'll place it over here. Yellow wire is going to be placed over here. Then we place the pink wire perpendicular to the yellow wire. This is the pink wire, as you can see. Place it over here. Then place the purple wire horizontally here.